Hi everyone. I want to introduce you SysMat. SysMat is the ultimate system administrator tool which was designed to both simplify and integrate nearly all of the day-to-day management tasks quickly and efficiently, while providing new capabilities for system administration. This functionality is provided in a single integrated easy-to-use product. SysMat is the first product for individual system administrators and small business that gives them the ability to run a task corresponding with several machines that they chooses at the same time. Using SysMat will manage your time more efficiently, save you up to 85% of system administrators and IT employees' time by working remotely and corresponding. Enables free time to promote other projects and tasks at your environment. Simplifies work and makes it more computerized. Tasks that were needed to do physically by the system administrator now can be done remotely. The ability to reduce the amount of system administrators on your site if this is what you want or need. Let's start. There are 4 main areas in the program design. First area is the admin details panel. In this area you're required to insert your administrator username and password. You can choose whether you want to insert an Active Directory admin details, a local admin details, or if you have a web generator you can choose to automatically get the password from the site. This function is available only in the enterprise version. Second area is the computer list panel. Here you need to upload a text file with all the names of the computers you want to work on. Each name should be in a single line and not in the same row. You can browse to the file or drag and drop it into the panel. You can also insert only one name if you want. You can do some manipulation on the list. Delete names. Add names. Save as new list. Check and uncheck all. Third area is the main features panel. Here we will do all our work. Fourth area is the log panel. Here we will see all the application logs and status. SysMat does not save logs automatically. You need to do it manually by pressing the save button, or if you want, you can print it. Let's go ahead and show you SysMat main features. Before we start to run tasks on remote machines, we want to check which machines are online and which are dead. Doing so will save us a lot of time later trying to run tasks on dead machines. Let's check the names we want to work on and click on the ping button. Now we can see which computers are awake and on the network and which one are dead. The button under the ping button is another check you can do before running any tasks. This is the admin details check. This function will check if the details you provided are really giving you access to those remote machines. After checking that our computers are alive and we do have access rights, we are ready to start work remotely and do whatever we want easily and quickly. In the right panel you can see a bunch of buttons. Each one of them represents a different function we can do on our remote machines that are checked on the list on the right panel. Let's start from the top. PC info will display the local machine info at statute, as you can see now on the right side. Checking one name on the list and pressing the PC info button will bring you the remote machine details into the right panel. If you want more information and abilities you can click on the Get More Info. This will open you a new window. Click on Start to get more and check out more buttons to new features. To export a list of remote machines details to Excel you can check all the names you want in the list and check the Get or PC Details checkbox. After doing so, click on the PC Info button. Now it will generate Excel file with all the remote machines info. Next button is the Active Directory tasks. Clicking this button will bring you new features on the right panel. Changing PC name remotely, create or remove all checked names in and from the Active Directory and rejoin remote machines to the domain. For your notice, most of these features will be available only in the Enterprise Edition. Third button is the Run Script button. This button will give you the ability to run exe, BAT, VBS files on all your remote machines. This is the most powerful feature in SysMat, because if you know some VBS programming, you can do here whatever you want on all your remote machines. Simply drag and drop your script into the box and hit the start button. Next we have the copy files button. This button enables you copy a single file or folder to a specific destination on all the remote computers. IP Scanner is a built-in scanner. Let's say you don't have a list of names and you want to generate one so you can work on. Simply write your subnet range and start scan. Shortly you will get a list of all the alive IP and their names. You can choose which remote computers you want to add to your list. Shutdown button will give you the option to shut down, restart, log off all your remote machines. Next button is the Service and Process Manipulation button. This button will open a new window. In this window, click on the Get Services and Process button. This action will display a list of your local machine services and processes. Now you can start and stop remote services, kill and run remote processes, search for a service or process. Registry button will open a new window to registry manipulation. RDP button will give you the ability to open all your list with a remote session so you can connect each one of them and see all their desktops. If the remote desktop function is not enabled on the remote machines, you can first enable it remotely and then open the remote sessions. Remotely Anywhere button, same functionality as the RDP button, just with Remotely Anywhere service. Add Admin button. Here you can add or remove network admin or a local admin to all of your remote machines. You can also generate a table that shows all the administrators on each machine to process later. The last button is a web password generator. If your company uses a web service to generate local admin password, we can implement it in our application. This function is available only in the enterprise version. This is all for now. Hope you like what you see. Please visit us at https://www.facebook.com/sysmat for more information, tips and tricks and sharing of system administrators' knowledge. Please click on the like button if you enjoyed this session. Thank you and goodbye.